I would not want to interfere with. And if the people of the two counties, or any of them, or even a single resident of any of the two counties, feels that that service agreement of 2014 does not serve them, he can go to the intergovernment relations and have the matter mediated there. But in the meantime, you see, you and me, His Excellency is getting a salary at the end of the month. I'm getting a salary at the end of the month. Mr. Oginga, you are getting some money, some fee from the litigants you represent here. Even when Keroka is on fire. But when Keroka is on fire, there is a Mama Mboga who will not be able in the evening to take anything to her children. What does she do? There is a man there whose work is to shine shoes, who will not be able to take his children to school. And this is one thing that we need to sort out, even as we think of the contempt proceedings. Because supposing this contempt proceeding takes another 1 month before it is finalized, what happens to the people of Keroka? They continue suffering. So we want to get a solution today and then give directions for the contempt application. Is that agreeable to you, Mr. Oginga? I don't want to go to the merits of whatever is happening. And that's what I'm asking the revenue. Just come forward, the revenue officer from Kisii. What is happening there?
Thank you.
Please speak up.
I'm saying thank you, my honor, for giving me the opportunity.
Yes.
But I'm right that I may not be able to speak when my boss is out.
No, speak. I'm protecting you. I'm protecting. He's a good man.
But the councils are here.
Yes.
So I don't want.
So you want him to speak for himself, Mr. Morada?
Yes, my lord.
Can you tell your client to tell us what is happening? Sasa tunaongea Morada, si tulikubaliana sisi ni wazee. Siwe ni mzee. Na mimi ni mzee. Na governor ni mzee. Am I going it the wrong way? Or we because we need to get a solution for the time being.
In the first place,
Yes.
as a council for
His
His
Excellency.
Excellency the Governor
Yes.
and the acting county secretary,
Yes.
from decided decisions
Yes.
and the law,
Yes.
this court is functioned as official after the delivery of the judgment.
Yes.
As we stand before this court,
Yes.
jurisdiction is everything, which are well guided by the law
Yes.
and decided cases.
Yes.
That, my lord, with due respect, you don't have jurisdiction.
Jurisdiction. Now, what application is before the court?
The application before the court is a contempt.
Is a contempt.
A contempt.
Do I have jurisdiction over that?
You don't have jurisdiction by the
When-
fact that these are two parties who have been
Yes.
staked into pleadings,
Yes.
who were not initially in the pleadings.
Agreed. Agreed.
Governor Simba Paul Arati
Yes.
and Umbasa were not in the initial pleadings where you chased me out of the matter with my client, Christopher.
Mr. Morada, let's not do this. Let's not do this matter with some bit of.
My lord, I'm praying for directions.
Yes.
I'm well guided.
And those are the directions I want
The
to.
direction.
Forget about what happened in the past, because let me not say much, because I was also wounded in a way as the proceedings were taking place. But I want us to do this.
Yes, my lord.
Mr. Morada, you are a resident of Kisii,
I am.
correct? You are a resident of Kisii.
Yes, my lord.
Are you happy when you go home at 7 p.m. you see people at Keroka, your cousins, your sisters and brothers, your mothers, your aunties, hurting one another with stones? Are you happy?
I'm not.
You are not happy. Now, if this court